Hello everyone, we are Team Alpha Clan with problem statement SIH 12508, introducing Aranya, a one-stop platform that digitizes records, map resources and recommends right government schemes for FRA Patta holders.
Arena consists of three key features: multilingual language support that includes voice-to-voice support system and chatbot supporting more than 5 tribal languages, blockchain for securing data and documentation, tracking carbon footprint for sustainable development.
Now we have Aranya's innovation in which we include easy onboarding which provides guided steps and tutorials for easy access. Then we have integrated data fusion which combines legacy data with satellite imagery for atlas mapping, and then actionable intelligence with DSS which recommends the details of the schemes the user is eligible for.
Offline accessibility so that the user can access the application in low connectivity areas too. We have community feedback system so the user can provide feedback as well as track the status of their application. In addition to that, we have multilinguistic platform which supports more than 5 tribal languages.
Here's how our system actually works. If the user has not claimed the patta yet, the authority will upload the required document on the platform for patta claim. If user has already claimed the patta, the authority simply upload the verified certificate on our platform. In both cases, the user got the secure login credential on their respective mobile number and email.
Once inside their accounts for the new applicants, they can check their FRA claim status and contact the dedicated authorities. For the existing Patta holders, they get digital certificates. They can see interactive FRA atlas maps with multi-layer data like assets and can also get recommendations or schemes from the DSS and access to multilinguistic chatbot support system too. They can also track the process of their application. All of this comes with some great features like voice-to-voice AI support system in multiple tribal languages, interactive FRA atlas maps with multi-layer data like assets and FRA hotspots, and low latency offline accessibility using progressive web apps in remote areas too.